everybody, welcome back to Unstable TV. So today we have a special unboxing for you guys. Now this comes completely from where we are now.
And where are we now?
We are in Australia.
Australia.
So this comes all the way from Three Strike Grooming. I'm going to show everyone the lovely box we received in the mail. So a big shout out to this company for sending this over to us.
Very manly box.
Manly box. Now do make sure you stay till the end of the video because we have a special surprise for you guys. So these products are really amazing and beneficial for me. So these are specifically for me. Sorry, Danielle.
Yeah, they're men's grooming products. So get that beard nice and squeaky clean.
So hopefully in the next few videos you'll see me looking a lot better because the products over here are not great. But a very cool thing about Three Strike Grooming's products, they are paraben free, silicone free, gluten free and cruelty free.
The most important. Not as chemically as the rest of them. It's just going to work wonders.
So at the time of recording this video, this is how awful my hair looks. So hopefully afterwards it'll look a lot better. And a big thing to know about this company, these products are proudly Australian made.
That is what we like to see. We are here in Australia and we love all home brand Australian products. Like Three Strike Grooming.
So let's go to the unboxing and we want to show you guys just exactly what this amazing company has sent us out.
So before we get into it, a big thank you for Three Strike Grooming for reaching out and sending us over these amazing men's grooming products. And if you like what you see at the end of this video, or you like what you see now already, we have a 15% off in the description down below. You know what to do.
Now we are affiliated based with this company, so not only will you be helping yourselves, you'll be helping us too as well. We have our exclusive discount in the bio down below.
Absolutely.
So make sure you check that out.
Make sure you use our discount when you go and buy these incredible products and let us know how you went with them.
Don't be afraid to send it over to us on Instagram or our email and let us know how you did.
Will we show them off?
Let's have a look. So here's the lovely box Three Strike sent us over. Let's open it up. Danielle, do the honours.
Not that hard to open. I'm just tired. Are we ready?
Ooh. Look at this. So we got our matte pomade, we have our style and wax, we got our texture spray, classic conditioner, and even a classic shampoo. I'm going to start with the pomade. So we've got the medium hold with a natural finish.
Oh, and this is apparently great for everyday styling. The formula is buildable, so you can add more for a stronger hold.
Oh, that smells amazing. Now bear in mind guys, we are going to be doing videos trying these out as well, so we're not just going to tell you about them and not use them. So here's the style and wax. Look at that. So that's a medium hold with a low sheen. Here's the directions on the back, if you want to pause and have a read of that.
The style and wax a little goes a long way, so you don't need to use too much.
So let's open that up and take a look. Well,
Also smells amazing.
oh, that smells really good. It smells amazing and clean. It smells like, how would you say, shea butter or something like that?
Oh.
But better. So here's our texture spray.
So the texture spray says apply to damp hair for a natural look. So while James is figuring this out, it says let your hair air dry or blow dry it. Give it a few spurts and style it yourself. Amazing.
Let's give that a spray. Oh, that smells amazing.
Oh, do you know what that smells like? It smells like sherbet.
Oh, it does actually. It's really nice.
Gonna be having James smelling amazing. Thanks, guys.
So I didn't smell amazing beforehand. I'm just going to rub this into my beard since I went to the bother of spraying it.
Mm-hmm.
So here is the classic conditioner.
And the conditioner says, condition your hair once to get rid of all the other amazing products you just put in your hair, and then condition twice to make it nice and clean and silky smooth.
So here we have the classic shampoo.
We all know what to do with shampoo. Stick it in your hair and give yourself a wash.
If you don't know how to use shampoo at this stage, you need to figure it out. We can do a tutorial for you if you'd like.
So there is the amazing products we got sent. I'm very excited for James to try them because they smell absolutely incredible. Lovely packaging as well. I really like the packaging. Striking, some people would say.
It's almost 3 strikes of good packaging. We have the paper, the products, and the colour.
So how incredibly amazing do all them products look?
They look amazing. It's great to have something cruelty free and definitely silicone free, because you can really feel that in some of the products around here, the off-brand ones. I look like a hairy Malteser dragged through a pocket.
What? And it's nice that it's not as chemically as other products out there, so it's a lot better for your hair and your beard, because I don't have one already. And it's Australian made, which is perfect. And they don't test on animals.
Yep.
What more could you want? And they smell phenomenal. They smell like sherbet. Thanks guys, you're gonna have James smelling absolutely amazing, and I'm excited.
So of course, a very big shout out to Three Strike again for sending this over. A very, very cool thing to receive in the mail. And it's always good here that we try something out we like, and we're not just doing it to do it. So we hope you guys get some use out of this as well when you do go to try these products out. And if you do, make sure you send us over how you got on, or leave your review in the comments.
Absolutely. And check the description for that discount code on StableTV15 down the bottom.
And make sure you follow Three Strike on Instagram and check out their products.
Absolutely. And stay tuned for all our shorts and our other videos of James trying out these amazing products. And me recording him trying out these amazing products.
So by the time we have them videos finished, don't worry, there will be a playlist of where we're showing you. We're not just going to unbox these, we're going to show you how they actually work.
Absolutely. And show you how to use them properly.
Yep. And give you a little before and after.
Now again, thanks a million guys for sending this over to us. 3 Strike Grooming, Australian made. And if you like unboxing videos like this, give us a like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good YouTube stuff. And that has been our 2 cents of the unboxing. We'll see you guys in the next one.